Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying accounts and connectivity. Make sure your Ring app is active and your doorbell shows online, then open the Google Home app on your phone. Once done, check Wi-Fi strength and that the Home Hub is powered and on the same network. This prevents pairing failures. You do this now because account linkage and network visibility are required for the services to exchange devices and permissions. Finishing these steps avoids repeating setup later. You proceed by adding a linked service. Tap the plus in Google Home, pick Setup Device, then Works with Google. Next, search for Ring, sign into your Ring account, and authorize access. This grants the hub permission to view and control the doorbell's camera and chime. Make sure to assign the device to the correct home and room so voice commands and automations target the right unit. Doing this now wires the doorbell into your Google ecosystem for control and routines. You finish by testing. Ask the hub to show the front door or tap Live View in Google Home to confirm video and chime work. If something breaks, reboot the hub and the doorbell, then reauthorize the Ring service in Google Home because token refresh often fixes permission errors. Also make sure Ring app notifications are enabled and your Wi-Fi too. 4 GHz is stable. These common fixes resolve most issues quickly so your linked devices behave predictably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.